If you are looking to invest in Lego sets, the data matters more than the hype. Today, we are breaking down 4 sets, and one of them has a projected return of 74% over the next 5 years. But is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. Today, we are analyzing 4 data sets on this theme to identify the best investment opportunity. We will look at retail price, projected value, return on investment, and risk level for each set. Let's look at number 1, the Dinosaur Fossils. Tyrannosaurus rex, set number 76968. This set includes 3,145 pieces and 2 minifigures, and retails for $249.99. That puts the price per piece at 8 cents. Looking at the 2-year forecast, this set is projected to reach $372.11, which is a 48.8% return. But the 5-year forecast is where it gets interesting. This set is projected to reach $435.17. That is a potential profit of $185.18, or a 74.1% total return on investment. The risk level for this set is rated as medium. Let's look at number 2, the Spinosaurus and Quetzalcoatlus Air Mission, set number 76976. This set includes 984 pieces and 4 minifigures, and retails for $159.99. That puts the price per piece at 16 cents. Looking at the 2-year forecast, this set is projected to reach $195.48, which is a 22.2% return. But the 5-year forecast is where it gets interesting. This set is projected to reach $228.61. That is a potential profit of $68.62, or a 42.9% total return on investment. The risk level for this set is rated as medium. Let's look at number 3, the Raptor and Titanosaurus Tracking Mission, set number 76973. This set includes 582 pieces and 3 minifigures, and retails for $109.99. That puts the price per piece at 19 cents. Looking at the 2-year forecast, this set is projected to reach $119.83, which is an 8.9% return. But the 5-year forecast is where it gets interesting. This set is projected to reach $130.01. That is a potential profit of $20.02, or an 18.2% total return on investment. The risk level for this set is rated as medium. Let's look at number 4, the brick-built Mosasaurus Boat Mission, set number 76974. This set comes with 858 pieces and 2 minifigures and retails for $59.99. That puts the price per piece at 7 cents. Looking at the 2-year forecast, this set is projected to reach $62.30, which is a 3.9% return. But the 5-year forecast is where it gets interesting. This set is projected to reach $64.72. That is a potential profit of $4.73, or a 7.9% total return on investment. The risk level for this set is rated as medium. Now let's compare all the sets side by side. The Dinosaur Fossils. Tyrannosaurus rex has a retail price of $249.99 and a projected return of 74.1%. The Spinosaurus and Quetzalcoatlus Air Mission has a retail price of $159.99 and a projected return of 42.9%. The Raptor and Titanosaurus Tracking Mission has a retail price of $109.99 and a projected return of 18.2%. The brick-built Mosasaurus Boat Mission has a retail price of $59.99 and a projected return of 7.9%. So what is the bottom line? Based on the data, Dinosaur Fossils, Tyrannosaurus rex offers the strongest investment potential with a projected 5-year return of 74% and a potential profit of $185.18. For budget-conscious investors, Brick-built Mosasaurus Boat Mission offers a lower entry point at $59.99. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. We cover new sets every week. Check the description below for the full written analysis and direct links to buy these sets on Amazon and eBay. Thanks for watching.